The USS New York, LPD-21, is not just a ship. It is a symbol of resilience, strength, and tribute. This amphibious transport dock, part of the San Antonio class of warships, carries with it a significant emotional weight. The USS New York is famously built with 7.5 tons of steel salvaged from the wreckage of the World Trade Center after the tragic events of September 11, 2001. It serves as a floating memorial to the nearly 3,000 people who lost their lives on that fateful day. With Never Forget as part of its ethos, the USS New York is both a tool of defense and a powerful tribute to the victims, survivors, and first responders of 9/11s. Commissioned in 2009, the USS New York represents the Navy's ongoing commitment to defend the freedoms that were so violently attacked on 9/11s. The ship's motto, "Strength forged through sacrifice, never forget," is a testament to its role in both honoring the past and protecting the future. The most striking feature of the USS New York is the 7.5 tons of steel from Ground Zero, which was melted down and cast into the ship's bow. This steel forms a critical part of the structure, allowing the ship to physically carry a piece of history as it sails the world's oceans. The connection to 9/11s goes beyond the steel. It is ingrained in the ship's identity. Sailors aboard the USS New York are constantly reminded of the ship's unique legacy, ensuring that the events of September 11th are never forgotten. In addition to the steel in the bow, the USS New York's crest features an image of a phoenix rising from flames, symbolizing rebirth and resilience. The crest also incorporates elements such as the Twin Towers and the New York City skyline, further emphasizing its connection to the city and the tragedy of 9/11s. The ship's christening was an emotional ceremony attended by families of 9/11's victims and first responders, many of whom saw the ship as a living memorial. For those families, the USS New York represents a combination of loss and hope, a tangible reminder that out of tragedy, the nation can rebuild and emerge stronger. The USS New York is a San Antonio-class amphibious transport dock ship designed to support amphibious assault, special operations, and expeditionary warfare missions. Its primary role is to transport and deploy Marines, their equipment, and vehicles to contested areas, typically during amphibious operations. The ship is 684 feet long, with a beam of 105 feet, and has a displacement of 24,900 tons when fully loaded. Despite its size, it can travel at speeds over 22 knots, making it highly maneuverable for its class. The ship's design allows it to operate in both deep water and coastal environments, giving it versatility in various mission types. The large well deck in the ship's stern is key to its amphibious role, as it can launch landing craft, air cushions, and amphibious assault vehicles that carry Marines and equipment to shore. This capability is critical for amphibious operations, allowing the ship to project power from sea to land. Another important aspect of the USS New York's design is its reduced radar cross-section, which helps to enhance its survivability by making it harder to detect. This feature, along with advanced sensors and defensive systems, allows the ship to operate in high-threat environments and protect both itself and the Marines aboard. The USS New York, part of the San Antonio-class amphibious transport docks, represents a significant financial investment for the U.S. Navy. The total cost of constructing the USS New York is estimated at around $1.2 billion. This price reflects not only the ship's physical size, but also the advanced technology that has been built into it, such as its integrated radar systems, its stealth features, and its ability to carry and deploy a wide range of amphibious assault craft and aircraft. The total cost of the San Antonio-class program, which includes multiple ships of the same class, is estimated to be $22 billion. This investment is a key part of the Navy's modernization efforts, ensuring that its fleet of amphibious warships remains capable of meeting the challenges of 21st century warfare. The USS New York's connection to the 9/11 attacks and the use of steel from the World Trade Center also add symbolic value, making it more than just a military vessel, but a living tribute to resilience and sacrifice. As an amphibious transport dock, the USS New York is designed to excel in a wide range of amphibious operations, from full-scale assaults to humanitarian missions. Its well deck and flight deck give it the capability to launch both sea and air-based operations, allowing it to project power across multiple domains. The well deck is a large, floodable compartment at the back of the ship that can carry landing craft like landing craft air cushions, which are hovercraft designed to transport troops, vehicles, and equipment from ship to shore. Additionally, the well deck can also carry amphibious assault vehicles, which can be deployed directly into the water and drive up onto the beach during amphibious assaults. The flight deck provides a platform for operating helicopters and tilt-rotor aircraft, such as the MV-22 Osprey. These aircraft are essential for quickly transporting Marines and their equipment to shore or to inland locations. The ability to conduct both sea and air-based operations makes the USS New York a versatile platform for amphibious warfare, giving it the ability to support everything from beach landings to air assaults and providing the Marines with flexible options for getting ashore. In addition to its amphibious capabilities, the USS New York also has significant aviation capabilities. Its flight deck can accommodate a variety of helicopters and tilt-rotor aircraft that are critical for transporting Marines, equipment, and supplies. The MV-22 Osprey is a key aircraft used aboard the USS New York, combining the vertical takeoff and landing capabilities of a helicopter with the speed and range of an airplane. The CH-53E Super Stallion, the largest helicopter in the U.S. military, is used for heavy lift missions, capable of carrying large loads of equipment or multiple vehicles from ship to shore. Other aircraft that operate from the USS New York include the UH-1Y Venom and AH-1Z Viper, which provide reconnaissance and close air support to Marines on the ground. The MH-60 Seahawk is another versatile helicopter used for a variety of missions, from search and rescue to anti-surface warfare. The combination of these aircraft gives the USS New York significant operational flexibility, allowing it to support a wide range of missions both at sea and on land. Although the primary mission of the USS New York is to transport and deploy Marines, it is also well armed to defend itself and support amphibious operations. The ship's defensive systems include 230 Mk 46 Mod 2-gun weapon systems, which provide protection against small boats and surface threats. In addition, the ship is equipped with 2 RIM-116 rolling airframe missile launchers, which are designed to intercept incoming missiles and aircraft. The ship also has 2 Mk-31 CRAM launchers, which combine the close-in weapon system of the Phalanx with the missile capabilities of the RAM launcher, providing a highly effective last line of defense against incoming threats. Finally, the USS New York is equipped with various .50 caliber machine guns that provide additional defense against smaller surface threats. Together, these weapon systems make the USS New York capable of defending itself in hostile environments while carrying out its amphibious mission. Since its commissioning, the USS New York has played a crucial role in both military and humanitarian operations. Its amphibious capabilities make it ideally suited for expeditionary warfare, where the ability to project power from the sea to the shore is essential. The ship has been deployed to various regions around the world, supporting operations that require the rapid deployment of Marines and their equipment. In addition to its combat role, the USS New York is also a valuable asset in humanitarian missions. The ship's ability to transport large amounts of equipment and personnel, combined with its medical facilities and aviation capabilities, makes it well-suited for disaster relief operations. The ship has been used to deliver aid to areas affected by natural disasters, providing critical support in times of need. The versatility of the USS New York ensures that it will remain an essential part of the U.S. Navy's fleet for years to come. The USS New York, LPD-21, is not just a powerful amphibious assault ship, but a living tribute to the resilience of a nation that will never forget the events of 9/11. From its symbolic steel to its advanced capabilities, this ship embodies both remembrance and readiness, ensuring that the U.S. Navy remains prepared to defend and assist in times of crisis. The legacy of the USS New York is one of strength forged through sacrifice, and its mission will continue to honor that spirit for years to come. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content on the U.S. Navy and military technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let us know in the comments, what do you think about the unique history and capabilities of the USS New York? See you in the next video.